Everyone has something worth protecting. Master Lock, the most trusted brand in padlock security, has developed a biometric padlock with instant access you control. This advanced security outdoor padlock is designed to make your life easier, delivering security at your fingertips. Simple fingerprint activation unlocks it in seconds, so you'll always have quick, easy access without the hassle of carrying keys or remembering combinations. You can easily add up to 10 unique fingerprints for multiple users. Designed for all-weather security and convenience, the extended life battery lasts over a year, and a directional keypad provides alternate access. When you need personalized, high-security theft protection, don't compromise quality and strength. Choose the Master Lock Biometric Padlock for everything worth protecting.